Elapsed time is the total amount of time that passes from the starting time to the ending time. So imagine you're taking a nap or eating a snack. The elapsed time tells you how much time passes from when you start eating your snack to when you end eating your snack. Let's look at a tool that will help us calculate elapsed time. And that tool is a clock. By looking at a clock, we can count out the minutes that we spend doing an activity. This clock is actually special because it will show the amount of time that we spend doing the activity by highlighting it in green. I'll show you how it works. First, let's set our clock for 3 o'clock because I said that 3 o'clock is the starting time of our activity. Let's have a snack. We start eating at 3 and we finish eating at 3:30. So I'm going to move my clock from 3 all the way down to 3:30. It looks to me like exactly half of an hour has passed. And I actually know that half of an hour is 30 minutes. This clock showed me 30 minutes have elapsed. I could count it out too. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 minutes of time elapsed from 3 o'clock to 3:30. Let's try another example. My start time for this activity is 4:10. So let's go ahead and move my clock, to 4:10. Okay, my clock is set to 4:10. I know, let's say I'm gonna walk my dog. We start our walk at 4:10. I keep walking and walking and walking. 4:20, 4:25, 4:30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 4:55. It looks like it's getting close to an hour, close to 60 minutes, but not quite. So let's count it out. How much time did I spend walking my dog? If I started here at 4:10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, I spent 45 minutes. 45 minutes of time elapsed from when I started at 4:10 to when I ended at 4:55. Let's try one more. And this one's a little harder because as you'll see, the numbers are not quite as friendly. I'm going to set my clock for 2:21, 2, 3, 4. 2:24. That's when, let's say I'm tired and I want to take a really quick nap. I start my nap at 2:24 and I continue my nap past 2:30, past 2:40, all the way to 2:41, 2:42. Well, this looks like it was a pretty short nap. How much time did I spend? There's a couple strategies you could use. You could count the minutes one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 minutes. 18 minutes elapsed from 2:24 to 2:42. What other strategies do you think I could use to count from this time to this time? One thing I was wondering is if I could count my groups of 5, 10, 15, and then I have to add 16, 17, 18. I have those 3 extra minutes in addition to my 3 groups of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 minutes. Clocks are a really helpful tool that help us to calculate elapsed time because we can look at the clock to see where we start and look at the clock to see where we end and count to see how many minutes have passed.